Hi, I'm Leo. Today I'm going to explain Chinese question words. We will pick a simple sentence as a base, and then we can make different questions out of it. Maybe let's choose a sentence that motivates me to teach and excites you to study. Like this one. 我想抢银行. I want to rob a bank. Simple and practical. Then we're going to ask a few questions around this sentence. Now, here's the interesting thing. In English, when you ask a question, the word order of the sentence often changes. You guys are like, oh, you want to rob a bank? So, when will you rob a bank? Where will you? How will you? You get things like that. English just moves words around. It moves the question words up front to the start of the sentence, right? But Chinese doesn't do that. Chinese is lazy. The word order doesn't change. Let me show you what I mean. Our basic sentence is, I wanna rob a bank. Now imagine, I hear you, I'm shocked, and my first reaction would be, I wanna check what you're gonna rob, okay? What is 什么? So what do you wanna rob? In Chinese, it is 你想抢什么? In Chinese, it is literally you wanna rob what? Just replace the part you wanna ask. The basic word order doesn't change. By the way, if you haven't watched my video of Chinese word order, I recommend you watch that as well. It will help you understand what goes where in the sentence. Now, let's say, I checked, I know you are robbing a bank. Now the real question is, why? Why would you do that? Because you can't just go robbing a bank on a whim. You've got to have a good reason. In Chinese, why is 为什么? We just insert 为什么 before the action. 你为什么抢银行? 你为什么抢银行? You why rob banks? Why goes before the action. Easy. Now let's ask when. What time? Because timing matters. If you're going to rob a bank, don't do it before lunchtime. People get cranky when they're hungry. Just a personal suggestion. So, what time is 什么时候? Again, we also put it before the action. In Chinese, the full sentence would be 你什么时候抢银行? 你什么时候抢银行? You what time rob bank? Okay, timing solved. Next question. Where? Another important detail. Where is 哪里? And we normally use it with 在哪里? At where? So, where are you robbing the bank? In Chinese, it would be 你在哪里抢银行? 你在哪里抢银行? Literally, it is you at where rob bank. That's it. Let's move on. We've got a reason, we've got the time, the location, and what do we need next? A partner, right? Sometimes teamwork is necessary. So, let's ask who. Who is 谁? With who is 和谁? We also put them before the action. Let's build the sentence together. Who are you robbing the bank with? The word order in Chinese would be you with who rob bank. 你和谁抢银行? Still, no complicated changes. Now we just want to know how. How is 怎么? So guess where we insert it in this sentence? Yep, again, before the action. How are you robbing the bank? Or in Chinese order, you how rob bank? 你怎么抢银行? 你怎么抢银行? Done. That's all the questions sorted. You can now make a solid plan. Let's look at what we learned. Here is a chart of the sentences we made in this video. Take a screenshot if that helps. Hope this video is helpful to you. Helpful on grammar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Leo. See you next time. Bye for now.